students, welcome back for our second part of Standard 6 Subject Science, chapter number 2, Components of Food. As we have studied in the last part that the resources of food comes from plants and animals, and basic components of food we have learned in the last part. So today we are going to study about the next part: test for starch, test for protein, test for fat, and what do nutrients do. So as you know all, the 5 components are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. So these 3 parts are called as macronutrients. Because why they are called as macro? Macro means big. Why? Because they are necessary for our body in a large quantity. These 2 nutrients are called as micronutrient. As you know, vitamins and minerals are essential for our body growth, but they are needed in a very small amount. Like when we dab a flour, जैसे आटा हम गूंथते हैं तो उसके अंदर खाने के अंदर या कोई भी फूड के अंदर सॉल्ट विच इज़ वेरी नेसेसरी, लेकिन क्या सॉल्ट हम ज़्यादा डालते हैं? नहीं. अ पिंच ऑफ सॉल्ट टू मेक द फूड टेस्टी, बट सॉल्ट इज नेसेसरी for the preparation of food. So in the same way, our body needs all the 5 components, all the 5 nutrients, but these 2 nutrients are essential, very much essential for our growth of our body. But they are essentially in a very small amount. Clear? Now, we are going to test all these 3. Starch. What is starch? As you all know, that carbohydrates, they are complex substance. They are broken down into starch. And what is starch? It is just a simple sugar. Clear? And what carbohydrates? Why carbohydrates? They need energy. They gives us energy for the growth of our body and for our parts of our body. Clear? So these 3 items, carbohydrates, fats and proteins, they are simple for the test. That is why we are testing these 3 nutrients. Clear? Now, the first one is starch. As you all know, starch is a component of carbohydrates, and carbohydrates are mainly they need 2, that is starch and sugar. They provide us energy. वो energy provide करते हैं carbohydrates, which is needed for our growth. Clear? And main thing sugar. For example of the sugar is the table sugar. जो घर के अंदर हम use करते हैं sugar, that and fruits and honey are the examples for the sugar. And starch are green plants make their own food. Green plants so as you know, green plants prepare their own food. Food जो prepare करते हैं उसको store as a starch green plants करते हैं. And testing of starch is easy. तो starch हम test कैसा करेंगे? What we need? first of all, we are going to write in a very systematic way. First, we are going to write what is our aim, what we are going to test. Second, what we need, the materials. Clear? Third, what we are going to do, and how we are going to do. So the third is method. In a very systematic way, we are going to make a test for this part. And the observation, after doing the method, what we observe. And finally, we are going to conclude our experiment. Clear? You will get this part in a PDF format. Right now I am just going to explain you orally. Clear? So the first part is starch. So what is our aim? Our aim to test the presence of starch in a food sample. What are the materials we are going to use in it? Food sample, water, dilute iodine solution, and test tube. Clear? Now, what is the method? Take a small amount of food sample. If it is solid, then crush it and then take it in a test tube. Add some water and shake well. After shaking it, then add a few drops of dilute iodine solution. So this is the method for our experiment for testing of starch. So what do you observe? The food sample turns blue, dark blue. If it turns dark blue, then the conclusion will get that it contains starch. The food sample which you are going to test contains starch. Clear? So this part you will get in a PDF format and you are going to write in a notebook after the completion of the chapter. Now, second part. Test for proteins. In the same way, we are going to write this and we are going to write how we are going to do the experiment. But before going to the protein, what do nutrients do? We are going to mix this part in this chapter, in this three parts. So what are proteins? Proteins, why they are needed? For building up muscles, for building, even blood is a component, even blood is made up of protein. जैसे बच्चे लोग आप लोग जैसे जानते हैं मम्मी सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट में बोलते हैं प्रोटीन शेक लो या प्रोटीन पियो, हॉर्लिक्स लो, कॉर्नफ्लेक्स खाओ, इसी तरह जिम में जाते हैं तो जिम के अंदर प्रोटीन शेक पीते हैं, राइट? सो व्हाई? फॉर मसल बिल्डिंग. क्लियर? अब जो बॉडी रिपेयर हो रही है, व्हेन द बॉडी इज ग्रोइंग, as you know now, we need protein for our body. प्रोटीन भी हमारे को बॉडी के लिए ज़रूरत है, लेकिन ज़्यादा प्रोटीन हमारे बॉडी मसल्स के लिए है, और जो टिश्यूज़ हमारे होते हैं, जो सेल्स होते हैं जो डैमेज्ड हो जाते हैं, उसको रिपेयर करते हैं. रिपेयर करने के बाद न्यू सेल्स भी तैयार करते हैं. अब लेस प्रोटीन हम लेते हैं, सो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो हार्मफुल फॉर आवर बॉडी. जैसे आप लोगों को पता है मम्मी सुबह सुबह चिल्लाती है मैं प्रोटीन खाओ, जिम में जैसे हम देखते हैं. सो प्रोटीन इज इसेंशियल फॉर आवर बॉडी. क्लियर? सो which are the products which we get from animals which are rich in protein and which are the products from the plant? So from the animals, you know, eggs, meat, fish and milk. Plant sources, cereals, moong, beans and soya beans. Our body needs vitamins and minerals. अब प्रोटीन के साथ में, as you know, as I told you in the last time, vitamins and minerals are two micronutrients. Vitamins and minerals, they are very much essential for our body, but they need very little amount of it in our body. So vitamins and minerals for its normal functioning of our body essential, and prevention from disease, यानी वो disease से हमारी रक्षा करते हैं. So they are very much essential, vitamins and minerals. Vitamins, there are many kinds of vitamins, as you know, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. But there are two types of vitamins are there, which are, one is fat soluble vitamin and the other is water soluble vitamin. Fat soluble vitamins are A, vitamin D, vitamin E and K. They are stored in fat tissue. जैसे रिजर्व रहता है ना, जैसे बाइक लिया, एज यू राइड द बाइक, तो पेट्रोल कैसा रिजर्व रहता है, जब ऊपर का पेट्रोल खत्म हो जाता है फिर रिजर्व को करके हम जैसे पेट्रोल यूज करते हैं. सो दे आर रिजर्व इन फैट सेल्स, और जब जरूरत पड़ती है तब दे आर बीन यूज्ड बाय आवर बॉडी. इन द सेम वे water soluble vitamins are also there, which is soluble in water, and we need each and every day, each and every hour for the maintenance of our body and for the growth of our body. So there are vitamin C, vitamin B complex. Vitamin B complex, there are a group of vitamin B. There is B1, B2, B3, so B12, etc. So there are group of vitamin B. So they are called B complex vitamin. Clear? So now we are going to know the minerals part. Vitamins, as we have learned, protein, vitamins and minerals. We are going to learn about the mineral part. As you know, minerals are also needed in our body in a very small amount. So what are the sources of minerals? Some sources which are needed in small amount, and some sources which are needed in large amount, which we need in our body. So like iron, zinc, copper, iodine. These minerals are needed in a small amount. Like minerals like calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium, they are needed in a maximum amount, in a large amount. Examples: spinach, milk, cheese, ginger, egg. So, in the part of protein, what is protein? It is the nutrients. अब ये nutrients क्या करता है protein? That we have learned. And with proteins, vitamins and minerals are also very much needed for our body. So now our activity is for the test of protein. Clear? Same method, same we are going to write it. So the first one, A. Our aim is to test the presence of proteins in the food particles. Second, what are the materials we need? Food sample, water, caustic soda. Caustic soda क्या होता है? That is sodium hydroxide and copper sulfate solution and a test tube. Clear? Now what is the method of it? The method is take a small amount of food sample और उसको crush करो. Solid हुआ तो crush करो. If it is liquid, then no needed. Clear? Add water, एक test tube में डाल दिया, उसके बाद water डाला, उसके बाद 2 drops of copper sulfate solution, 2 drops, and 10 drops of calcium or caustic soda. Caustic soda sodium hydroxide है. एक 5 मिनट के लिए उसको टेस्ट ट्यूब को साइड में रख दिया. What we are going to now observe. Observation अभी लिखना है हमारे को कि ये हमने तैयार किया, प्रिपेयर किया, साइड में रखा, अब उसको ऑब्जर्वेशन करना है. उसका ऑब्जर्वेशन क्या होगा, जो फूड सैंपल अंदर है वो वायलेट हो जाएगा, उसका कलर चेंज होकर वायलेट हो जाएगा। उसका कंक्लूजन क्या रहेगा हमारा, द फूड सैंपल कंटेन्स प्रोटीन्स। क्लियर? एंड द लास्ट पार्ट नाउ वी आर गोइंग फॉर द टेस्ट फॉर फैट, because as you know this three part which is included in the part of nutrients, we are covering also this part of the topic also. अब फैट क्या है, जैसे हम बोलते हैं कि फैट दे ऑल्सो गिव अस एनर्जी, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स वो भी एनर्जी दे रहे हैं, तो उसको फैट की क्या जरूरत है हमारे को, अगर कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स एनर्जी दे रहे हैं, फैट्स हमारे को ज़्यादा एनर्जी दे रहे हैं। अब ज़्यादा एनर्जी चाहिए तो वो हमारे बॉडी के लिए नुकसान भी है, बट नीडेड इन आवर बॉडी, फैट इन अ स्मॉल अमाउंट इज नीडेड, इट कीप्स आवर बॉडी वार्म and provides energy. Fats give more energy than carbohydrates. More fat leads to, ज़्यादा फैट खा लिया, जैसे ज़्यादा जंक फूड खाया हमने या बाहर की कोई भी ऑयली चीज़ खाई, तो उसके अंदर it leads to obesity. Clear? Now, junk food are harmful. Understood what fat part of the nutrient is. So we are going to test for fat in the same method with the aim, material, method, observation, conclusion. What is our aim? To test the fat in food sample. What are the materials required? Food sample, a sheet of filter paper and object to crush. Why? Because कोई भी object रहेगा, food sample रहेगा, वो solid material में रहेगा, तो उसको क्रश करने के लिए हमारे को कोई चीज़ ऑब्जेक्ट चाहिए। क्लियर? सो व्हाट इज द मेथड? आवर मेथड इज वी पुट अ फूड पार्टिकल इन अ फिल्टर पेपर, फिल्टर पेपर को बंद किया संभाल के, उसके ऊपर क्रश किया वो ऑब्जेक्ट जो था उसके साथ में, बट मेक इट वेरी केयरफुल कि पेपर डजंट टेयर, वो फटना नहीं चाहिए। क्रश करने के बाद विल ओपन द पेपर, पेपर ओपन करने के बाद जो भी फूड पार्टिकल्स है विल जस्ट फेंक देंगे उसको, एंड विल ऑब्जर्व द फिल्टर पेपर। एज यू नो व्हेन वी ऑब्जर्व द फिल्टर पेपर, सो दिस इज द मेथड। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू कंक्लूड अबाउट द ऑब्जर्वेशन। एज वी आर गोइंग टू ऑब्जर्व द फिल्टर पेपर, लाइट के अंदर वहाँ पे फिल्टर पेपर रखेंगे तो एक ट्रांसल्यूशन जैसा लगेगा हमारे को और एक पैक जैसा लगेगा। व्हाई? बिकॉज द फूड पार्टिकल्स कंटेन्स फैट। सो व्हाट इज आवर कंक्लूजन? The food sample which we are testing for fat contains fat. Clear? Okay. This is our last topic for today. You have an activity after this topic. Open your textbook, turn your page number 10. Table number 2.2. Nutrients present in some food items. That table you have to write down in your notebook. The food items are different. Food items are written. In that food items, where the starch is present, carbohydrates, proteins, and fat. You have to just write down all these three components of food in that table. Okay, students, you have to complete this activity in your notebook. Thank you.